One topic that comes up in my channel a lot is GPS, and I get a lot of questions from people asking how to deal with certain issues, and one particular problem is the lack of GPS signal. So we're going to have a look at that today. But before we get started, please make sure that you like this video because it really helps the algorithm and really helps many other people who are looking for issues and trying to fix things within their own drone issues. So please give it a like and please consider subscribing to the channel. Now, GPS problems are not something which is only experienced by newcomers to drones. In the professional industry, we also experience GPS issues. Whether we're working in the city or whether we're working in areas where we can have GPS jamming, yes, GPS jamming is a thing, we can have problems and we have to be able to overcome those problems. Now, most of the time, if you experience GPS jamming, you just have to wait. You have to find out where it's coming from. Sometimes it's coming from actual bodies where you can't do anything about it, so you have to wait until that person moves away or they stop doing any kind of operations. But we do experience it, and we have experienced GPS problems, and it's not funny. It really isn't. But let's look at the newcomers. Let's look at putting your drone for the first time, second or third time outside and having some problems. So you can see here, I'm actually outside my backyard and I've placed the drone. Well, it's next to the wall, but that's not really an issue. I mean, if I would put it anywhere in the center, it would be the same. But I have what we call GPS shadows. And GPS shadows are areas that you don't have any GPS because of buildings in the way, or it can be trees or something. So you can see here that it takes quite some time, and in fact I wasn't even getting a GPS signal, or I wasn't getting enough GPS actually. So it goes up to 10, but then it goes down again, so it's not staying. And of course, you know, we do like to see it going to 10, and you think that that's okay, but I like to get it above 10, and I will not fly with 10 or less. So this stayed here, it did not go away. So this is a good example of GPS shadows. So if you experience not enough GPS, a good idea is to move away to a different location, and that's what I done here. So I'm in a different location, much more open, and the GPS is strong from the get-go. So this is just a good lesson for you, just good for you to understand that if you're experiencing GPS issues, make sure you move your location. It will help. And as I say, I've had these questions before and they've always been helpful, so I wanted to share this with you all. So thanks for watching. If you have any issues with GPS or any more questions, please leave a comment below and make sure you like and subscribe. And as always, fly safe.